In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website for mobile users using Hostinger's hPanel. Optimizing your site for mobile devices is crucial as more and more users access content on the go. So, let's make sure your website looks great on any device. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger hPanel. You should already be familiar with your credentials, so go ahead and enter those into the login fields. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. This is your command center, your go-to place for managing everything related to your website. Next, on the left-hand side of your screen, look for the Websites section. Click on it, and you'll see a list of the websites you have hosted with Hostinger. Find the website you want to optimize and select Edit Website. This will take you into the Website Builder interface, a powerful tool where you can make all the tweaks and adjustments necessary to keep your site running smoothly and looking its best. Now, direct your attention to the top bar of the Builder interface, where you'll notice an icon resembling a tiny device, a computer monitor, or smartphone. This little icon is your gateway to switching views between desktop and mobile. Click on it to enter Mobile View. This is an incredibly important step because what looks great on a desktop might not translate well to a smaller screen. Once in Mobile View, start examining the layout of your website. Consider the spacing of elements and font size. Mobile screens demand a different approach: larger, more pronounced fonts, and increased white space to prevent the page from appearing cluttered. Pay attention to how different sections are aligned and interact with each other. Everything needs to fit well within the screen without requiring users to zoom in or scroll more than necessary. Make it a priority to check the interactivity of buttons and menus. These elements should be both easily tappable and accessible. In a touch interface, there needs to be enough breathing room so that users can effortlessly navigate your site using their fingertips. Keep the text legible, making adjustments as needed to maintain readability without compromising design. After making your adjustments, take a moment to thoroughly review the overall look and feel. Ensure everything aligns with your brand's aesthetics and functionality. When you're satisfied with how your site appears in Mobile View, it's time to finalize your changes. Head up to the top right corner of the builder and click Update Website. This action will save all the tweaks and enhancements you've made, ensuring that your mobile visitors have the best possible experience. And there you have it, a mobile-optimized website tailored to your audience's needs. With these changes, you'll make browsing your site a seamless and enjoyable experience for your visitors, no matter where they are or what device they're using. Thanks for tuning in, and happy website building!